Hi, I'm Steph Evans, and here's another course bite from our Intro to FEA with MSC Apex online course. Applying loading and constraining a model is fundamental to a successful FEA analysis, but if not performed correctly can lead to significant errors in the output. There are many different types of loading that can be applied to an FEA model, from structural loads such as forces, pressures and inertias, to thermal loading through initial and applied temperature distributions. Equally, there are many ways to constrain parts of a model, from fully fixed regions through to subsets of these for pinned, sliding or symmetric boundary conditions. We'll show you how to look at detailed constraint outputs to understand how a model has responded and whether it's appropriate for your case. Remember, we've got free trials of all our courses, and there are free versions of Apex to allow you to follow the tutorials at your own pace. Just follow the link to see a full list of our courses, and we hope to see you on a course really soon.